Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today is 29th of May 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 29th of May 2020. Before starting today's video, we will quickly revise the questions asked in our last video. Our first question was, how many cities have got 5-star ratings in Star Rating of Garbage Free Cities List 2019-20 released by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs? Answer is 6. Second question was, which of the following day is celebrated as World Bee Day? Answer is 20th May. 20th May is celebrated as World Bee Day. Next, which state has recently launched a program called Me Annapurna for the welfare of farmers? Answer is Maharashtra. Fourth question, who has been appointed as the new chairman of NABARD recently? Recently, Govinda Rajulu Chintala has been appointed as the new chairman of NABARD. Fifth question was, which of the following bank has recently started video KYC facility for its customers? Answer is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Recently, Kotak Mahindra Bank has started video KYC facility for its customer. Sixth question was, who had represented India in the 73rd session of World Health Assembly, which was recently held via video conferencing? Answer is Dr. Harshvardhan. Dr. Harshvardhan is the Union Health Minister. Next question was, which of the following day is celebrated as International Tea Day? Answer is 21st of May. 21st May is celebrated as International Tea Day every year. What will be the India's GDP growth rate for the current financial year as predicted by ICRA? ICRA is Investment and Credit Rating Agency of India, and recently ICRA has predicted India's GDP growth rate for the current financial year as -5%. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as International Day of Biological Diversity? Answer is 22nd May. And last question was, in which of the following state Tatpar program has been started to help migrant workers? Answer is Jharkhand. Recently in Ranchi, which is the capital of Jharkhand, Tatpar program has been started to help migrant workers. These were the 10 questions asked in our last video. Now we'll start today's video. Our first question is, who among the following has recently been appointed as the president of FICCI Ladies Organization? Answer is option number 1, Jahanabi Fukun. Look into the image. This is Jahanabi Fukun, and she recently has been appointed as the president of FICCI Ladies Organization. FICCI Ladies Organization is the women wing of the FICCI organization. What is FICCI? Long form of FICCI is the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. It is an association of business organizations in India. It is the largest, oldest and the apex business organization in India. It was formed in 1927. Its headquarters is in New Delhi, and currently the president of FICCI is Sangeeta Reddy. Next, Abbas Jha is in news recently. He is associated with dash. Answer is option number 4, economy. This is Abbas Jha. He is an Indian economist and he has recently been appointed as the World Bank's practice manager for climate change and disaster risk management in South Asia. Answer will be option number 4, economy. Next, name the Indian state which has launched Restart program to support MSME sector in the state. Answer is option number 3, Andhra Pradesh. Recently, Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh has launched a new program called Restart for the micro, small and medium enterprises, that is MSME sector in the state. The government will spend nearly rupees 11,000 on revival of the sector. Answer is option number 3, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh, look into the map. This is Andhra Pradesh. Capital is Hyderabad. Governor is Vishwabhushan Harichandan and Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh is Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy. Next question, who has been appointed as the new Chief Economist and Vice President of World Bank Group? Answer is option number 1, Carmette Reinhardt. This is Carmette Reinhardt and she has recently been appointed as the new Chief Economist and Vice President of World Bank Group. Answer will be option number 1. What is World Bank? World Bank is an international financial institution that provides loans and grants to the government of poorer countries for the purpose of purchasing capital projects. It was formed in July 1944. Its headquarters is in Washington DC. Currently, President of World Bank is David Malpass. CFO is Anshula Kant and motto of World Bank is working for a world free of poverty. Next question, name the person who has become world's highest paid female athlete as per Forbes. Forbes is an American business magazine. Answer is option number 4, Naomi Osaka. Naomi Osaka is the Japanese professional tennis player, and she recently has become the world highest paid female athlete, surpassing Serena Williams. Answer is option number 4, Naomi Osaka. Next question. International Day to End Obstetric Fistula is observed every year on dash. Answer is option number 3, 23rd May. International Day to End Obstetric Fistula is observed every year on April 23rd. What is obstetric fistula? It is one of the most serious and tragic injuries that can occur during childbirth, and this day is celebrated to significantly raise awareness and intensify action towards ending obstetric fistula. Answer will be option number 3. And theme of 2020's International Day to End Obstetric Fistula was End Gender Equality, End Health Inequalities, End Fistula Now. Next, which state is implementing the Solar Fench Farmland Protection Program? Answer is option number 3, Tamil Nadu. The state government of Tamil Nadu is implementing the preliminary works of the unique Solar Fench Farmland Protection Program. The program is being implemented under the Central Agriculture Improvement Scheme. The interim break from the usual agriculture activities due to COVID-19 pandemic is being used by the farmers in innovative work of preparations. The electric fences are powered by the non-polluting solar panels, which are eco-friendly and are being set up in various parts of the state to decrease the risk of attacks from animals, especially elephants. Under the scheme, 50% of the construction cost of the electric fence will be provided as a subsidy to farmers. Answer will be option number 3, Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, look in the map, this is Tamil Nadu. Capital is Chennai. Governor is Banwaryal Purohit, and CM of Tamil Nadu is Edappadi K. Palaniswamy. Next question. To simplify and expedite the drug approval process in India, government has constituted a 11-member high-level committee. The committee is headed by dash. Answer is option number 1, Rajesh Bhushan. Recently, central government has formed a 11-member high-level committee to simplify and expedite the drug approval process in India, and the committee is headed by Rajesh Bhushan. Answer will be option number 1. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as World Thyroid Day? Answer is option number 2, 25th May. 25th of May is celebrated as World Thyroid Day every year in order to raise awareness and reduce the prevalence of thyroid related disorders. This day is being celebrated. Answer is option number 2, 25th May. Now, answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, International Day of Light is celebrated on dash. Answer is option number 3, 16th May. Every year, 16th May is celebrated as International Day of Light. It is a global event celebrated to highlight the role of light in science, culture, art, education, and sustainable development, also in the field of medicine, communication, and energy. Answer will be option number 3. Now, today's question. Question is, which of the following day is observed as International Museum Day? Options are 16th May, 17th May, 18th May, and 19th May. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we'll discuss this question in the next video.